Hey planner friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ozella, Salt and Light Plans on Instagram, and I'm so happy you're with me today to watch me decorate in my planner for the week of November 12th through November 19th. Yes, this video is very long overdue. I filmed it the week of November 12th, but I got so busy I didn't have time to do my voiceover. So I wanted to go ahead and share this spread with you all. This spread is just so cute to me. I used another kit from Rainy Creek Designs, and it is just so cute. I love the browns and the pinks, and of course the sunflowers. So I just had to show it to you guys. If you haven't already and you love all things planner related, make sure you start an Instagram page. Instagram is where I get a lot of my own planner inspiration from, and I love to share with other planner babes on Instagram. It's just a great place to go if you really love all things planner related. So I encourage you, if you haven't already, check into starting your own Instagram page so you can show your beautiful planner spreads with other people who love planning as well. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I try to upload videos at least once a week. I'm hoping to eventually upload more. I would love it if you subscribe to my channel so we can continue to share ideas together and I can continue to share my spreads with you. This week, like I mentioned, I used the kit from Rainy Creek Designs, and I also used some sheets from the Rainbow Happy Planner sticker book and the Rainbow Chrissy Ann Designs book that's available at Michael's right now, and I am loving her stickers. They are so cute and so functional at the same time. So I used some of hers. I used a few stickers from the Social Light sticker book, and I used some from the Big Color Story sticker book. From both of those are from the Happy Planner. So I used a few different pages this week. And for that week, I had so many fun things going on that I wanted to have a bright and very vividly colored spread for the week. And one of the main things that I had going on was spending time with my mom on the 13th. And on the 13th, we went out to one of the Price is Right live shows. It's not one of the shows where they have Drew Carey, but it's one of the shows where you still get to play the games. You get to do all the fun things that the audience does on the show, but you just don't have Drew Carey there, basically. We had the host from, I believe it was Temptation Island, Mark Wahlberg, and he was a lot of fun. I think he's actually from one of the cities here in Alabama, so that was pretty cool. We had a great time on Tuesday. That day, November 13th, was such a highlight for me. And it's just seeing my mom so happy while we were out at that game show. It just made me so happy inside. And it reminded me of a Bible verse, Ecclesiastes 2:24. And it says, "There is nothing better for a person than he or she should eat and drink and find enjoyment in his toil. This also I saw is from the hand of God." In that moment where I saw my mom and how much she was enjoying her time there at the game show, it just made my heart smile so much. And I felt in that moment, at that time, that was a true gift from God. Me having the resources at that time to be able to take her, even getting the email about the show coming into town, because they came before a few years back and I actually missed it. So I was just super excited to get the opportunity to go and experience the show with my mom. It was such an amazing experience. If you all ever have an opportunity to go to a live taping of a game show or just a stage show like that one was, I highly recommend it. I actually had the opportunity before in the past to take her to see Family Feud with Steve Harvey in Atlanta, and that was actually a live show taping, and of course that was a whole lot of fun as well. Steve Harvey. I adore him. So if you ever have the opportunity to do something like that, I really do encourage you to do so. It is for us to enjoy the life that we have, and I do believe in my heart that those times that we can enjoy our resources, that we can enjoy our families, basically enjoy the blessings that God has given us, it does make God smile. And that's what we're ultimately here for, is to please God and to enjoy the things that He's given us in this life. So I just really enjoyed myself that day. It was such a blessing to me. And another fun thing that I got to do this week, starting Friday, we were gone the 16th through the 18th. I'm sorry, earlier I said the 19th, but yes, the 18th. My husband and I had the opportunity to go to Memphis, and that was both our first times traveling to Memphis, and we had a really good time. We had the opportunity to go to the Lorraine Motel, and as most of you all already know, that's where Martin Luther King was assassinated. They have revamped the hotel to be a civil rights museum, so you get to walk through. Of course, you see Martin Luther King's life and his journey on the civil rights, during the civil rights movement, and then you also get to see other prominent moments within the civil rights movement. And at the end of the tour through the museum, you get to go through where Martin Luther King Jr.'s room was at the hotel, and that was just such an awesome experience. And even after that, even after such an experience as great as that, you get to walk across the street into the boarding house where James Earl Ray, the person who was charged with assassinating Martin Luther King Jr., where the assassination was carried out. And that too, the way that it's set up is so professionally done. Everything is preserved great. It's just an amazing thing to see if you ever get the opportunity to travel to Memphis. It's such an amazing thing to see, and we really enjoyed ourselves. Of course, we ate some amazing food, some great barbecue. We had the opportunity to go on Beale Street. We had a great time there. So the weekend of the 16th through the 18th, we just had a really good time. So just having that time to enjoy with my husband as well, doing things that we had neither one of us had done before, was such a great blessing to me as well. So I just had a fun-filled week, and I just really thank God for having that time to spend with my family. So I pray that you all take advantage of those things as well when you get the opportunity to do so. The colors throughout this spread just turned out so pretty. I really enjoyed using the kit from Rainy Creek Designs. And don't forget that I do have a code for Rainy Creek Designs. If you are interested in any of the kits that I use here with my Plan With Me's, you can visit her shop, RainyCreekDesigns.com, or Rainy Creek Designs on Etsy, and you can use the code OJRCD20 for 20% off. So please go check that out. I love her kits, and I just really enjoyed this spread. If you can, go ahead and like this video if you love the spread as well. And always be blessed and plan with a purpose. Bye, guys.